Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn money online. You promote other people's products and get a commission for every sale. But how do you get people to find your affiliate links? That's where SEO comes in. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's all about making your website and content more visible on search engines like Google. Imagine you're selling handmade soaps. When someone searches for best handmade soaps, you want your website to appear high up in the search results. SEO helps you achieve this by using keywords, optimizing your website structure, and building high-quality backlinks. The higher you rank, the more people will find your site. This means more clicks on your affiliate links and ultimately, more sales and commissions for you. So if you're serious about affiliate marketing, mastering SEO is essential. It's the key to driving organic traffic, attracting your target audience, and boosting your affiliate earnings. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. They are the words and phrases people type into search engines to find information, products, or services. Your goal is to identify keywords relevant to your niche and your audience's search intent. Start by brainstorming a list of terms related to your products or services. Imagine yourself as a potential customer. What would you type into Google to find what you're offering? Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs can help you expand your keyword list and analyze their search volume and competition. Focus on long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that target a niche audience. For example, best waterproof hiking boots for women is more targeted than just hiking boots. Long-tail keywords often have less competition, making it easier to rank higher and attract qualified traffic. Remember, keyword research is an ongoing process. As you create content and analyze your website traffic, you'll discover new keywords and opportunities to optimize your content further. On-page SEO makes your website appealing to search engines and visitors. Optimize elements to improve visibility and ranking for keywords. Ensure your content is high quality, informative, and engaging. Use target keywords naturally, avoiding keyword stuffing. Optimize title tags, meta descriptions, and header tags. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly and responsive. Improve loading speed to enhance user experience and rankings. Use internal linking to guide visitors and improve structure. Focus on these factors to attract more organic traffic. Off-page SEO refers to the actions you take outside of your website to improve its search engine rankings. It's about building authority and trust for your website. One of the most important aspects of off-page SEO is building high-quality backlinks. Think of backlinks as votes of confidence from other websites. When a reputable website links to your content, it signals to search engines that your website is a valuable resource. There are several ways to earn backlinks, such as guest blogging, creating shareable content, and reaching out to other website owners in your niche. Social media engagement also plays a role in off-page SEO. When your content is shared on social media platforms, it increases brand visibility and can lead to more backlinks. Engage with your audience, participate in relevant conversations, and share valuable content that encourages social sharing. Remember, quality matters more than quantity when it comes to backlinks. Focus on earning links from reputable websites in your niche that are relevant to your content. Section 5. Crafting high-quality content that converts. Content is king in the world of SEO and affiliate marketing. Creating high-quality, engaging content is crucial for attracting your target audience and driving conversions. High-quality content needs to be valuable and informative. Provide your audience with solutions, answers, or valuable insights. Use visuals, break up text, and maintain a conversational tone. Incorporate a clear call to action. Create content that ranks well and compels action. Section 6. The power of social media in affiliate marketing. Social media platforms are incredibly powerful tools for affiliate marketers. They provide a platform to connect with your target audience, build relationships, and promote your affiliate products or services. By creating valuable and engaging content, you can establish yourself as an authority in your niche and gain the trust of your followers. Use a variety of content formats such as images, videos, stories, and live streams to keep your audience engaged and interested. Run contests, giveaways, and other interactive campaigns to encourage audience participation and generate excitement around your affiliate products. Don't forget to track your social media performance. Use analytics tools to monitor your reach, engagement, and conversions. This data will help you understand what's working and what's not, allowing you to adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, Social media is all about building relationships and providing value. By focusing on these two aspects, you can leverage the power of social media to drive traffic, increase brand awareness, and boost your affiliate sales. Section 7. Tracking your progress, measuring SEO success. SEO is not a one-time effort. It's an ongoing process that requires constant monitoring and adjustments. Tracking your progress is essential to understand what's working, identify areas for improvement, and measure the effectiveness of your SEO efforts. Several key metrics can help you gauge your SEO success. Website traffic is a crucial indicator of your website's visibility and the effectiveness of your SEO strategy. Keyword rankings show you where your website ranks in search engine results pages, or SERPs, for specific keywords. Backlinks are another important metric to track. Monitor the number and quality of backlinks pointing to your website. Conversion rate is a crucial metric that tells you how effective your website is at converting visitors into customers. By regularly tracking these metrics, you can gain valuable insights into your SEO performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategy for better results. Section 8. Tools of the Trade, Essential SEO Tools for Affiliate Marketers. Navigating the world of SEO can seem daunting, but luckily, numerous tools are available to simplify the process and empower affiliate marketers to make data-driven decisions. These tools can help you with various aspects of SEO, from keyword research and competitor analysis to website audits and performance tracking. Google Analytics is a free and powerful tool that provides valuable insights into your website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. Google Search Console, another free tool from Google, helps you monitor your website's presence in Google search results and identify any technical issues that might be affecting your rankings. SEMrush and Ahrefs are popular SEO tools that offer a comprehensive suite of features, including keyword research, competitor analysis, backlink tracking, and site audits. These tools can be invaluable for understanding your niche, identifying growth opportunities, and staying ahead of the competition. Section 9. Staying ahead of the curve. Adapting to SEO changes. The world of SEO is constantly evolving. Search engines like Google are continuously updating their algorithms to improve the quality of search results for users. What worked yesterday might not necessarily work today, so it's crucial to stay informed about the latest SEO trends and adapt your strategies accordingly. One of the best ways to stay ahead of the curve is to follow reputable SEO blogs, industry news websites, and thought leaders in the SEO community. Attend webinars and conferences to learn from experts and network with other professionals in the field. Remember, SEO is not a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one website might not work for another, so it's essential to experiment, analyze your results, and continuously refine your strategies based on the latest best practices and algorithm updates. Section 10. Case Studies, Real-World Examples of SEO Success. Examining real-world examples of SEO success can provide valuable insights and inspiration for affiliate marketers. One such example is the story of a blogger who successfully grew their affiliate income by focusing on long-tail keywords and creating in-depth, high-quality content that targeted a specific niche audience. Another case study might highlight the success of an e-commerce website that implemented a comprehensive SEO strategy, including on-page optimization, link building, and technical SEO, resulting in a significant increase in organic traffic and sales. These case studies demonstrate the power of SEO when executed effectively and can serve as a source of motivation and guidance for affiliate marketers looking to achieve similar results. Section 11. The Road to Success. Embracing the long-term SEO journey. SEO is not a magic bullet. It's a long-term strategy that requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt. Results won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort and a commitment to best practices, you can achieve sustainable growth and success in your affiliate marketing endeavors. Embrace the journey and focus on building a strong foundation for your online presence. Create high-quality content that provides value to your audience, engage with your followers on social media, and build relationships with other website owners in your niche. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process of learning, experimenting, and refining your strategies. By staying informed, adapting to changes, and focusing on providing value to your audience, you can navigate the ever-evolving world of SEO and achieve long-term success in your affiliate marketing journey.